All right, folks, I'm going to go over today's reversal pattern real quickly. We opened on this candle right here, pushed down, said and went back up. Put up a fair value gap to the upside. Very convincing. If we would have gotten in here, it was way too early, still within the opening range. I like for the first 30 minutes to come and go, creating the opening range before I take a trade. But if you were real eager to get in, you could get in here. Where would you be reaching for? I don't know. That we had an opening gap down and it was filled here, so I don't know where you'd have been reaching for. I would have still been watching at that point. So then we push up, we create the high of the opening range, try to get up again, fail. And then that created our breaker here. We pushed back down through the breaker with this big long candle when the news came out. Wicked into this fair value gap down to the downside. Actually, we have a couple of them there. We could just put those two together, but this is the one we were playing off of. We would enter a tick below the high of that candle. This one would have filled us, so with that one. And where do we aim? You could aim low hanging fruit would just be the low of the opening range at 300. But I saw this regular trading hour 4-hour low as the draw. So that was my trade. I got in. It'll grab you 82 points. You got filled here. It's 82 points down to the red if you just took it right at the low. Okay, and then we did get pushed a little bit lower and then got into Chop City. Lowest low. Here's our breaker to the upside. We pushed down. We did it again. Breaker to the upside is here. We started putting candle bodies here, but then tried to make another stab down, making a higher low. Meandered around. Finally, we get a fair value gap to the upside. Optimal entry is right here on this candle. This one fills you. Where do you aim? That high right there. Let's see how many points we would have got on that jobber. We got filled here. We aim for that high. That is 45 points. Pretty quick. It took a while. See, we got filled here. This one goes up. We're in the profit the whole time. We took about 2, maybe 1 point. So this one would make you sweat. If you were able to hold, boom, that one got you. You're filled. You booked your 45 points on one micro. That's $90. On a mini, that's $900. So that's not bad. Even on a day where I felt like we were in a bearish environment, that would have been real good. Now, if you were aiming for higher fruit, woo, you got smoked. But here we just returned to the breaker. You can see that. We just returned to the breaker, and then we started aiming for higher fruit, which we came to this one, took it out, put up another reversal pattern, and adios paya. Didn't quite take out the low of the day. Regular trading hours, we're going to have relative equal lows on the 4-hour chart right there. Because it didn't take, this one's at 14, this one's at 15. Yeah. That one right there is at 23,115. This one's at 23,113.50. So relative equal lows, 4-hour chart, regular trading hours. Target right here. Remember to be kind to yourself and be kind to one another. Love each and every one of you. Until next time, trade well.